everyone, no matter where you are in the world, whether it is morning, afternoon, or night, I just want to say welcome to Dyana's Kitchen and thank you for being here with me. Something very simple, easy, but delicious. I'm making a fully loaded veggie wrap. All right, and guys, I want to share it with you. All right, let's start, guys. So guys, this is everything I'm going to use to make my sandwich. So guys, we have some white cheese here. We have some extreme wellness tortilla we're going to use. We have some mixed vegetable here. Guys, you can use the fresh one or you can use the frozen one. It's up to you. All right. Then we have some sweet pepper, bell pepper. We call it sweet pepper in my country, guys. Then I have onion and I have some lettuce here. I have a tomato. I don't know if I'm going to use a tomato. I'm a tomato lover, but I will see if I'm going to use a tomato. Then I have some mayonnaise. Okay? All right, guys. So let us cut up our fresh vegetable and then start to make our sandwich. Okay? So, guys, I'm going to use like 2-color bell pepper for my sandwich. Target Circle, they have a whole lot of free coupon. They have coupon and grocery, kitchen tool, Mother's Day gift. Okay, so I'm going to give you some more coupon because I have a lot of coupon here that I want to give to you. Okay, so check out Target Circle free coupon. The question for you guys, do you shop at Walmart? If you shop at Walmart, I want you to always look for a Walmart rollback deal if you shopped online, and that will save you so much money. Okay, and let me see what they have rollback on right now. They have rollback right now on grocery, and the same thing, Mother's Day deal. So it's the same thing, it's the same thing as Target. So guys, if you're looking for something for your mom, I think now is the perfect time. Okay, so we done cut up our sweet pepper. And now we're going to go to our onion. So guys, the next one is what? Kohl's. You shop Kohl's. If anybody shop at Kohl's, if you love Kohl's, I'm going to give you some coupon for them. Mother's Day is right around the corner. And now is the perfect time to get your Mother's Day gift before Mother's Day comes. And you know, sometimes when Mother's Day is here, it's more expensive than before the month comes in, because now is the perfect time to get it. Yeah, and they have coupon 20 to 30% off coupon. But Kohl's always have some good coupon though. Yeah, Kohl's always have some good coupon. I think 20 to 30% off. That's a lot. So maybe you want to check the Kohl's coupon. Okay, and if you're doing an upgrade, now is the perfect time. If you're upgrading your kitchen, now is the perfect time because they have a lot of coupon on kitchen appliance. This is some salt. After that, guys, I'm going to saute my my fresh season. Alright guys, so now I'm going to saute my season. I'm going to use a little garlic butter. So a little garlic butter. I'm going to pour in my season. Just want it being a little bit soft. Just going to saute it for about a minute or two. I'm going to pour a little bit of black pepper. This is the black pepper, guys. Just pour a little bit of black pepper over it for taste. Pinch of salt for taste. But the garlic salt already, the garlic butter, sorry, already have salt in it. So my mixed beans. So So guys, we was talking about coupon, and I already give you a couple coupon that you can use, right? So what's the next one? Amazon. Do you shop on Amazon? So now let us wrap our tortilla. Yeah guys, so as we was talking about Amazon $50 coupon. All right, so let's say you save $10 in store. Okay, I'm gonna put all the information, okay, in the box. Okay, so already the description box. Okay guys, so this is my lettuce, guys. This is my lettuce. Then I'm gonna pour a little white cheese over it. So this is the last one, guys. So I'm gonna just wrap the bottom. So this is a small one. Guys, my sandwich is already finished, guys. It's ready to eat and it's ready to enjoy. Guys, I'm gonna take the first bite. My vegetable sandwich. I just start a friend circle, guys. You want to check out that friend circle that I just start, guys. Go and check it out, and you guys can join the friend circle.
A place full of love, good food, and positive energy. Before you go, this is my Dyana Kitchen friend circle. If you want to be part of something real, join us. Just comment "I'm in" and welcome to the family.
If you are not watching this on YouTube, please check out my YouTube channel. The name is right there, Dyana Kitchen.